Ah, what's up? So, this is the book we're doing, and my group, Hassan, Gabe in the background right there, or not in the background, sitting down. We're doing Pick a Planner. I did that, I picked that up fast. So, basically, the motivational music is only 5 minutes and 48 seconds long, so yeah, let's just start it off. Boop. So, what is planning? Well, we don't know what that is, and that's why I'm here to teach you what it is. I'm not grabbing the book right now. This is all off memory because I am a good student who doesn't do things last minute. Yeah, I'm not wasting time so I can grab the book. Alright, so the thing we're doing is pick up a planner. What is a planner? I just hit my hand. That's why I chuckled to myself. This isn't a podcast, this is a video. So, what is a planner? I'm not grabbing food. Alright. Begin motivational music.
What is the one question that has been haunting this video thus far? What is a planner? Well, today I shall answer that question. Firstly, it is highly recommended that one should use a planner that has a calendar and space to write down appointments, assignments, to-do lists, and goals. Now, I know what you're thinking when you hear the word planner. You're probably thinking,
This is whack. What's the point of this? I already have a cell phone.
or just straight up.
No.
Well, first things first, it is a scientific fact that one retains more memory from writing things down physically rather than electronically. And secondly, I can give you a 100% guarantee or your money back that if you follow our steps precisely, you will become more successful in life.
The first step, dreaming big. But because we aren't children anymore and must dream realistically, planning weekly is the next best thing. Taking about 15 minutes to do so. It is very important that you identify your big rocks, and they mean figuratively, not literally. I learned this the hard way when I spent an hour staring at a rock in my room. Big rocks actually mean the most important things that are happening to you at a certain period of time. A way to identify big rocks is to think through key roles in your life, such as a student, a friend, or a family member, etc. Have you ever heard of the Big Rock Experiment? I haven't, so I tried it. What you need is a big rocks, a bunch of pebbles, and a bucket. And since I have none of those things, I'm using things I find in my room. Writing utensils, an empty can of Sprite I use as a pencil holder, and rubber balloons. You get a bucket and fill it halfway full of pebbles, small pebbles. You then try to put several big rocks in the bucket on top of the pebbles, but they don't all fit, so you empty the bucket and start over. This time you put the big rocks in the bucket first, followed by the pebbles. The pebbles neatly fit in the spaces around the big rocks. This time, it all fits. The difference is the order in which the rocks and pebbles were placed in the bucket. Now, what does this mean? It means life. But also, the pebbles represent the little things, the little everyday things that suck up your time. The moral of the story is, you don't schedule your big rocks first. If you don't schedule your big rocks first, they won't get done. Once you have your big rocks booked, schedule all of your other pebbles. Now that you have your basics down, it's time to do more advanced. Yes, that is what I wrote. It's time to do more advanced. By adapting each day as needed, you'll probably have to adjust your big rocks and pebbles now and then. try to make your best, try your best to follow your plan because I am watching. But remember, it's not that deep. You can make an oopsie once in a while because it really be like that sometimes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this really work? Well, here we have a youngin' who did it for himself. Say hello to Jared. What's up? My name's Jared. I'm 19. I never learned how to read. So, it's not what I'm supposed to say? Hi, I'm Jared. 1 second. Pick a planner. So, I remember, I remember looking at the I'm just gonna spell it out. QUADRANTS and say, all right. Look, oh, my book, not my book. I'm Jared. Look, this stuff really works because I used it. Yes. And I know you don't want to sit here listening to me tell you, do it, but do it because it works. I used to be a slacker. I used to save my homework till last minute. Imagine that. And I started planning. And now, look at me. I'm 19, but I can read. Wait. But look at me. I planned a reading. I can't read what I wrote out, but I do have to hire someone to actually read it out to me. Read what I wrote and have planned, but it still works. I'm not sad.